guys, welcome back to my channel JoSum Vlogs. I am Jo and today is the 19th day of the 40 days challenge. I am very grateful and my heart is filled with gratitude to all the subscribers who have made me achieve this milestone of 100k subscribers. Thank you so much for subscribing to my channel and making it a grand success. Thank you. I started this channel with the sole purpose of sharing my home cooked recipes with you guys. My home cooked recipes that are simple, everyday recipes, very easy to make. Thank you for all the love, guys. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. Wore this beautiful dress to celebrate the 100k subscribers milestone with you guys and share my happiness. On this occasion, I decided I will bake an amazing almond cake for you guys, and we will be cutting that cake with my family. So my husband and my daughter will be joining me to cut the cake. So 1/4 cup melted butter, 1 cup sugar powder, 2 eggs, few drops of vanilla essence, half a cup of almond milk, and give it a nice whisk. Take 2 cups of almond flour. To this add 1 teaspoon of baking soda, teaspoon of sea salt. Give it a nice mix like this. Now add this almond powder mixture. So the cake mix is gone into the baking tray, guys. The oven is heated to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and we will cook it for about 30 to 35.
Hello. Congratulations, Jo.
My today's 2 cents while the cake is baking in the oven is move like everything is going to work out, because in the end everything works out. Give it a thought, guys, because according to me this is one of the most powerful statements. Let me know if you want to know anything about me. I'll be very happy to answer any questions that you have for me. So let me know in the comment section below, guys. Bye-bye.